I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get Julia. I'm gonna get her. I got her. I'm gonna get James. Where'd James go? I'm gonna get James. I'm gonna get James. Okay. I'm gonna get James. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh no, did mommy leave their legs open for him to run through? Uh-oh, you forgot a hat? If I'm gonna get you, you don't have time. Oh wait, James has to put his hat back on. Okay, just a minute. You have to put the hat back on. Okay, mommy's gonna try to do this one-handed. Okay. Okay. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna get you. Hat break. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get Julia too. Oh, mommy's boot collection. I'm gonna get Julia. I'm gonna get Julia. I'm gonna get Julia. I got her tummy. Oh, James found the water. Julia, you found your drawer. I'm gonna get Julia. I'm gonna get Julia. I'm gonna get Julia. Oh, hopefully mommy didn't make the mistake of leaving her legs open. And Julia can run through. Oh no! Julia got away! Julia got away! Julia got away! Oh, okay. James. Oh, Julia wants to go through again. Okay, Julia, go. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Okay.